Hello everybody. Today's tip is kind of ridiculous because I'm still learning the Maschine software. So my issue was this. When I clicked on each category, it didn't fix on the page that I wanted. So I asked some users, and finally they gave me the solution. When you press, for example, on the page event, you just have to press this button right above the ratings event here, so it's highlighting, and then voila, it keeps on the right page. And so you can toggle on and off without needing to press the button. So same thing for patterns. So I press the button pattern, and then I press this button right here. It highlights pattern, and then on, off, on, off. Simple. So ciao, see you.